131. As the name implies, the DB9 unveiled at the 2003 Frankfurt Motorshow is the new generation GT car of Aston Martin, replacing the DB7. The beautiful 2+2 coupe body, shining forth that special look of an Aston Martin, is 185.4 inches long, 73.8 inches wide, and 50.0 inches high. By utilizing the Aston Martin's new generation aluminum VH platform chassis carried over from the Vanquish, the vehicle was made lighter using many aluminum and lightweight materials for the outer panels while increasing body rigidity. The power unit is a 5.9L DOHC V12 engine, also carried over from the Vanquish, that was specially tuned to a respectable maximum output of 450 HP and 420.2 lb-ft of torque. Furthermore, by adopting a transaxle FO layout, the car gives an exceptional driving feel and is fun to control, reflecting upon the deep involvement of Aston Martin in motorsports since years past. As can be seen from other interior details such as the tachometer that operates in a reverse clockwise direction and a dashboard panel that is optionally available in bamboo, there are many features that are benefiting Aston Martin's position as one of the ultra high-class brands in the world.